In this video, I'll show you how to easily add different borders to your Microsoft Word document. Borders can enhance the look of your pages, and I'll guide you step by step through the customization process. Click the Design tab at the top of the window. On the far right, select Page Borders. In the Borders and Shading window, choose a border style, such as a traditional box. Adjust the width if desired. You can also apply custom border art, such as stars. Apply the border to the whole document. To remove the border, select None and click OK. Experiment with 3D effects or shadow effects for more customization. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.